Alright, got Bromette, did that one real nice. You ever just, like, you're running calls for like 12 hours straight and you get real goofy and you start hitting them with that Jethro Jerglebean? You know what I mean? Yeah. That's where I'm at. Fuck this Wasp. I think I got Wasp to it. Get your ass out of here, bitch. Get your ass back. Yeah, that's what I thought. Hit him with that Jethro, you know? Alright, now I gotta pump it down. Hit him with a Jethro Jerglebean. Let's see. Alright. Yep. I can't remember if this motherfucker leaks. Alright, no high head pressure switch trip. That's good. 109 PSI on the low side. Let me get my Jethro Jerglebean wrench ready. That's it. That's the Jerglebean wrench. Hit on with a Jethro. So what we're going to do is make sure it comes on and runs first. Okay. Well, we got everything nicely done. Nothing's touching. Alright, and we're back. So fuses are good. We got no power, but I'm going to check for shorts real quick just to make sure. Just to make it so just one to ground. Good, no shorts. Alright, let me go flip the fucking breaker. That one's a little sussy. Let's see if we can't hit it with that Jethro Thulligan. Oh shit. Hit him with a Jethro Thulligan. Yeah, that shit's tight as fuck. Alright, let me go reset this bitch. Alright. Fucking Wasp. Get away from me, Wasp. Fuck you. Hey, how you doing, eh? Alright, easy peasy. Bad low pressure switch. Clean my shit up. On to the next one. Well, that one was nice. Little low pressure switch pad. See what I'm saying? It's like, once you get good at refrigeration, it's the simplest fucking thing ever. It's so simple, it's almost insane. Or I'm just really good, which that's probably the case. But I remember being shitty. Oh, fuck, man. Dehydrated today. Alright, that's it. You guys have a wonderful evening. See you later.